This is a summary of the food studies topic, Keeping Food Safe, Preservation. This is from ORCA Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key content of this course topic. Preservation prevents the growth of harmful microorganisms by changing the environment of the food. Preserving food allows us to have access to it even when it's not in season, improving food safety, security and availability. Preservation methods include using high or low temperatures, reducing moisture, adding chemicals, removing air, or using irradiation. Heating food to high temperatures, such as through canning or pasteurization, destroys microorganisms and enzymes. Low temperatures, like freezing or chilling, inhibit the growth and multiplication of microorganisms in food. Drying or dehydration removes the moisture needed by microorganisms for growth and reproduction. Chemical methods like vinegar, salt, sugar, and wood smoke have been used for centuries as preservatives. Air removal techniques, like vacuum packing or modified atmospheric packaging, help preserve and extend the shelf life of various foods. Irradiation prevents spoilage by destroying microorganisms and can delay ripening or destroy insects in food. Strawberries can be preserved through canning, jamming, freezing, chilling, or irradiation, each with different effects on flavor and nutritional value. Different preservation methods can lead to changes in characteristics and nutritional value of food, such as loss of vitamins or changes in texture and taste.